Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I used Protek gel on one of my clients for the very first time. So I've prepped all her nails, dehydrated it with the 144 solution that you get. All this stuff, all this Protek gel and all the things that come with it are from Bootyful Nailz by Jess. I'll leave her name down in the description box below so that you can go and check her out. So as I said, all the nails have been dehydrated with a 144 solution. I've gone in with All About the Base on all the nails, applied my forms, and now I've gone in with the Protek gel. This stuff is amazing. It is just so easy to use. So you just pop some on your spatula. Obviously I haven't quite got like how much I need to use and stuff, because like I said, this is like the second time I've used it, because as you can see I have it on my nails as well. So you just pop on a bead. Make sure that you've got the 144 solution on your brush, because you use that as a slip solution as well. Push it back into the cuticle area and then just pull the rest of that product down, creating your shape and stuff. I swear to God, I have never used anything so easy in my life. I just love it so much. So the colour that I have here is called Vintage Pink, and I just love it. I honestly I just love it. So as you can see, I'm just going on all of these nails with a little bead of the Protek gel, and just doing the same thing on each nail. Once I'm happy with that, I'll pop it in the lamp for 60 seconds. I do go in, once it comes out the lamp, I remove the tacky layer again with the 144 solution. You can use it for just about everything. And then off camera I did apply a second bead, just because I can't gauge how much I'm supposed to be using, and I did do them a bit thin, so I do go in with a second bead off camera before I come back and file. But as you can see, I'm just pushing that about the nail and it's just going exactly where I want it to go. And the great thing about it is obviously this will not set until you put it in a lamp, so you can play about with this for as long as you like, and it won't set till you put it in the lamp. So I'll just let you watch me finishing off these fingers here. So here I'm just coming in with that 144 solution on a lint-free wipe and just taking off that tacky layer, and then that's when I did go in and add a little bit more to each nail. So now the filing, this files so easily. It would be so easy to overfile it. It files like butter. So I've just left in the one nail for you. So if you want to see how to use this product properly, or to purchase any of the Protek gel, she's got quite a few colours, then head over to Bootyful Nailz by Jess. Again, like I said, I'll leave it down in the description box, just how it's spelt and stuff. But she does have a YouTube as well, and she has a lot of YouTube videos on her Protek gel. Honestly, can't recommend her enough. If you're looking for a gel like this, then honestly go check out Bootyful Nailz by Jess. I honestly cannot recommend it enough. So once I have finished the filing, I'll just wipe the nails again, and then I shall go in with the Gloss Like a Boss excellent name for a top coat. Stick that in the lamp for 60 seconds, apply my cuticle oil, and that is it. So if you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, I would love it if you could subscribe rather. And like I said, I'm going to leave some details down in the description box for anyone who would like to check out Jess's YouTube or purchase any of these products. And I shall see you again in my next video. Thanks for watching.